What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I spent all day filming a video when I did my cable four-wheel drive shifter. My skid plate fucked up on me again. So I spent all day making new pieces for it and how I was gonna do and whatever, but it's not gonna work because, well, let me show you. We have a bit of cancer on the frame here. There's a bit of a hole that I gotta fix. Where I had this bolt, I've kind of just put a hole right in the frame. So what I've done is there are safety caps that you can buy for these TJs that will replace this whole section. But instead of that, because they are expensive, instead of doing that, I'm literally just gonna end up cutting out the section where the skid plate mounts. I'm ordering steel that I'll be able to fab up my own type of safety cap. But the other thing that is a bit of an issue is this trailing arm back here. Now, if you guys know TJs and you know Canada, they do like to rot out back here. Now this side is probably the worst side. This side isn't too bad, but you can see it's starting to crack. There are some holes there. And I'm not gonna hide that from you guys. I'm not gonna say that, you know, it's a perfect Jeep and it's, you know, there's nothing wrong with it, because there are plenty of things wrong with it. So last night when I figured out that I couldn't do the skid plate the way I was expecting to, I made a little list and I put it above my new workbench that I built here. This is kind of in order of what I wanna get done over the winter. I'll kind of talk about it. All right, so I'm gonna order the safety caps for the rear. I'm gonna try and do the skid plate. This is all the stuff that I kind of want to get done in the winter. I made this list because this is the things that I feel are most important, and they're also the things that I want to get done more than other stuff. So the skid plate, the frame arch, I have a new motor that I'm buying for a really good deal, and I'm hopefully gonna be able to pull parts from it to make this one run right. If you guys know, this motor doesn't run right, doesn't start right, the fuel economy is junk. So I'm hoping I'll be able to put some parts on it and make it run better. If not, I'll just yank my motor, put the other one in. We'll be done with that. We'll be done with that there. I have new doors for it. I have a new window frame for it that I'm gonna have to fix up a little bit, and then I have paint. I haven't ordered any of the paint yet, but I am gonna be doing the same color as my hood. It's gonna be going green. I hope it's gonna look good. I hope it'll accent the fenders and the bumpers and the tires and all that stuff really well, being black. I have a bunch of winch stuff that I wanna get. I wanna get synthetic rope and fair lead, which is, again, expensive. Synthetic rope's always expensive. My rear bumper and tire carrier is something that it's like the last piece to finish the aesthetic look for this Jeep. I already have the spare tires actually in the trunk because I didn't have anywhere else to put it. But though, that's something else that I really want to try and get done this winter, try and get enough money for. When I do the doors, I'm also gonna get 2003 to 2006 style mirrors instead of mine, because once I hit like 100 clicks on the highway, they just fold back and you can't see anything. But the 03 to 06 style mirrors, they pivot inside of the housing when these ones pivot on the outside. So those will hopefully be better, kind of bring the look all together. And I want to do a big frame restoration. So once I get the skid plate and the wheel arch fixed and everything, I want to pull the tub right off the frame. I want to sand down the whole frame with flap discs and grinders and all the rough stuff. I want to try and get taken care of so I don't have to worry about it again. So I'm hoping I'll be able to pull the tub off. I'll be able to get to the top of the frame, the bottom of the frame, the whole 9 yards, and I'll be able to actually buy, there's like, I think it's called Rust-Oleum, I think is what it's called. It's expensive paint, but it like encapsulates the rust and then prevents it from rusting anymore. So once all that new stuff is under the frame, I want to do that, pull the tub off, and really restore the frame properly. So that's kind of my idea. That's kind of the plan I have for the winter. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it all done. I'm probably gonna be ordering my bumper very soon because I have some money put aside for that, as well as the safety caps. I got a line on some metal. My buddy works at a metal shop, so he's gonna give me some of the metal. And then all the other stuff's gonna hopefully just come with time. So I wanted to make this video because I haven't put a video out because I was planning on fixing the skid plate, and then that kind of screwed up on me. So I thought I would make a video kind of explaining what happened, what my plan is for the next couple months being as parked for winter. And that's it. That's basically it. That's the plan. That's the list. And I'm hoping to get it all done. I also just want to talk quick. If you guys saw the video that I put up, it was a couple days ago, I think. I ended up taking it down because I didn't really think much of it. I kind of just wanted to state that I contracted the virus, and I wanted to show you guys that it can happen to people like me. I feel fine. I've only had like a little bit of congestion, and that's basically been it. My quarantine period is up in a couple days, so I'll hopefully be able to get back to my normal life and not be stuck in my house or in the shop anymore. But I just want to say I took the video down. I didn't state in it what I should have stated. I didn't want to cause panic in my town. Everyone at my work has come back negative. All of my friends have come back negative, so I did the right thing. I isolated, and thankfully enough, I didn't give it to any of my friends or any of my coworkers, so we're good there. But it's just kind of a wake-up call. I feel that, you know, I didn't expect to get it. I didn't think anything of it. I mean, it didn't affect me as much as it's affected other people. But I just want to let you guys know that, you know, it happened to me. I contracted the virus. So just kind of remember, you know, do your part, wear your mask, wash your hands, do whatever they're telling you to do, because I mean, the hardest part about this was staying in my house for 2 weeks. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you understand kind of where I'm coming from with the Jeep, and kind of my apology about the video that I posted a couple days ago. This thing will start on its journey very soon. I just gotta wait for the parts to come in. It's around Christmas time, so ordering stuff's gonna take a lot longer than normal, but after Christmas, stuff will start picking up, hopefully. I hope you guys are in the loop, hope you guys are excited, and hope to see you guys in the next couple videos I end up putting on the channel. This thing's going through a big transformation this winter, and I'm really excited. I'll see you guys next time.